Sanford Shapes started growing up here in San Diego, Encinitas, California. We grew up surfing and skating, and we just kind of collaborated both of them together and made cruiser skateboards out of them.
And it's inspired our shapes, I think, are driven more from beach lifestyle.
The boards are kind of perfect in that nature, just like skate to the beach, whatever, surf, and I don't know, yeah, it just fits in really good with the California lifestyle, basically.
You know, the designs that we create are truly handcrafted out of wood and using different wood colors and textures and patterns, and the process to make them that really sets us apart.
I'm a part of Sanford Shapes just because we all grew up doing this and we all love it so much, and we like skateboarding and we like surfing, and
we're doing something cool, and it's like a great opportunity to be a part of it, and we're having a good time, and we're trying to make cool skateboards.
Just everybody has something to contribute, and that's really the spirit of Sanford Shapes. Everyone's involved, and it's truly just a passion that we all enjoy.